Hello guys, welcome to the 22nd video of our Python playlist, and in this video we will discuss linear search. Basically in Python, if we take a list, let's say it is L is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will happen that if I use, like, I have a key that is to be found, like say it is 3. So if key in L, then we should print that the key is found, else we should print that the key is not found, right? And if I will run this, so the key is found will be given. In Python it is very easy, but in other programming languages we have to iterate using a loop, and if that we will compare the values, and if the value is found, then we will initiate a flag, and using that flag we will basically just print the value is found at a specific index, for example. So for that we have to do for x in L. We will be using a for loop, and what we will do that if the key is equal to x, then we should print that the key is found at, and then we will write L dot index, and in that index function we will write the value that is x, that is basically found, and then we will take a found variable that is a Boolean variable, and here I should write false, and right now here we will just make found to be true, and afterwards we will break the loop, because we don't want to search anything anymore, so we do not need any else statement over here. And then let me take another variable that will be storing the index. For that, let's say I take index is equal to 0, and here what I will be doing is that index is equal to L dot index, and here I should write x. And lastly, I just print index, so you can see the answer that it is retained. So if I run this, so you guys can see that the key is found at 2. And if I write at index colon, so this will be a better output. Now, what if the value is not found? Let's say I change it to 16. So the key is not found and it is still 0. But now I want that if it is not found, so it should not print any of this index. So afterwards, if found equal to true, then we should print the index, else we will not be printing any index. So if I run this, so you guys can see that the key is not found and the index is also not printing. So I hope you guys got the concept of linear search. See you guys until the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.